This is the phone booth near 61st and 30th. It's in front of somebody's house. I will not give the address for privacy reasons. This phone kind of works. It gives a dial tone for a sec, but if you can hear, it also will play like a recording of a story or something. Anywho, this phone used to be in Anchorage, apparently, and is card only, no coin. This booth also does have the seat and a working fluorescent fixture. And the door. Also, it has the interior telephone company signs, apparently, because this is from Alaska. The house out front of it also has 3 payphones, 1 Verizon unit, 1 GTE unit, and 1 Frontier payphone with what looks to be an AE120C in there. Anywho, this concludes the second episode of the Washington Payphone Project YouTube series at the booth at 61st and 30th. I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. It's a button. It's pretty easy to press. Anyway, goodbye, YouTube.